when brainstorming my lesson, I chose to work on math concepts as this is something that I struggle with, and creating math lessons for students. I created a math lesson that is for second grade, and it goes over using measurements in various forms and teaching students how to use rulers. One tool, piece of technology that I found really cool was this Splash Learn, which they have a lot of different math and other games. Um, but there is one for measurement, and it's a game that teaches students how to measure with a ruler, and just really refreshes everything that I would be teaching them in a lesson. And it's completely free. The teacher can sign up for free. I already created an account, but teachers use for free. Parents can use it for free. And I'll just log in quickly, or I might already be logged in. And so this is the students, what the student would see when they log in and go to the lesson. But anyway, this is the teacher's dashboard, all the students in their class, which I just made up some. And then this is like my classroom. And then if you go to teacher dashboard, which you have to enter your password. You can assign your students curriculum or games, whatever you want to call it, and they would be able to then play these games. And then you can also look at your students' progress. So you can see one student logged in, and then you can assess them. You can just see kind of, what knowledge your students, where they are within the lesson, if they need more help, that type of stuff. So then if I go into one of my students' profile and pretend to play as them, I can just click on them. But obviously the students would be doing this. And then you can just go, you can see that your teacher assigned you something, and then you would just click on it. And then you can either compare lengths of things. So in this game, you're comparing like the pepper to the crayon. And then this one's measuring the objects and then comparing them. So like, oh, the pencil's, I don't know, 17 centimeters and the pepper's 6 centimeters. So how much bigger is it? How much bigger is the pencil than the pepper? And then this one's just measuring things in length. So the screwdriver, measuring that. So the student would be able to click on it. And then it's kind of a fun little game. So it keeps students interested and engaged in learning, because who doesn't like playing a game? It's fun. So then you would just look at this and then be like, oh, how long is this? Oh, it's 16 centimeters. And then you earn a coin every single time you get a question right. So let's say I was doing this one and I got the question wrong and I said it was 13 centimeters when it really isn't. It gives you the correct length, so then the student can look back, oh, what did I do wrong, kind of thing. And then it also like calculates how many questions the student got right or wrong, and really is just assessing the students on their progress within the unit, which is really helpful because it's not like giving your students a test. They're interested in it. And yeah.